I was watching the B2 on YouTube, the Lego channel, and for the new movie 101 Dalmatians, he bought 101 Lego Dalmatians, and he was just naming them. And you know my name, right? Liam, because it's in the name, that dude Liam. Just watch. He was going through all of the 101 names.
Boris, Cooper, Steve, Toots, Petroleum, Goofy, Buster, Tim, Waluigi, Chad, Jimmy, Sniper, Mr. Egg, Liam, Sherlock Bones,
Liam. He named one Liam! Yeah!